Trust me, we'll be alright. My location, trying to find a way back to you again. Gotta get back to you. Gotta get back to you. My location, trying to find a way back home to you again. Gotta get back to you. Gotta get back to you. I just need to know that you're safe. On the first ride back to your side, I don't care how long it takes. I know you'll be worth the wait. On the first flight back to your side. Kailan natin nalang ginawa yun? Live din, no? Thank you, Kaloy. Si Kaloy nag-suggest natin. Actually, kayo talaga yung nakakaalala ata ng mga pinagkakakanta natin. It's 9:26. Sana nag-dinner na kayo. Kaloy, wait, ba't may reverb pa yun? Kaloy, I miss you too. Fall in love alone. Ba't parang alam ko yan? Ito ba yan?
May bigyan mo siyang bawo. Sikat.
I'm familiar with unrequited. I know you got a heart that's undecided, just like mine. It takes its sweet time. I've been trying to dive into the deep end. It's I don't really wanna lose a girlfriend, but I might find something divine. It's electric every time we touch. I've been living for this head rush, but sometimes it's too much. Yun ba yun? If we never tried, how we know, baby, how far this thing could go. Give me a sign that I'm on your mind. Don't wanna fall in love alone. I wish that I could just tell you thinking. I hate that I slip up on the drinking, but oh well, I can't help myself. I'm getting really tired of the back and forth. Why don't we just give it to this driving force? I mean, there's something between us. It's electric every time we touch. I've been living for this head rush, but sometimes it's too much. If we never try, how we know, baby, how far this thing could go. Give me a sign that I'm on your mind. Don't wanna fall in love alone. Meron pa. How we know, baby, how far this thing could go. Give me fall in love alone. Oh, nag-aano na lang. Chumachamba lang. I don't wanna fall in love alone. I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall in love alone. Gumagawa. Ay, nako. Uy, Eric. Pero yun ba yung ano din?
Hindi lang ako sanay mag-bingi. Saan ba dapat?
Ha! Meron. I heard you talking in your sleep. Wake up, baby, talk to me. I could take it so you don't have to lie. All these questions in my head. Oh, what you're doing in my bed. If you can take it, gonna have to say goodbye. Something's on your mind, middle of the night, better let it out. I'm giving you a chance, better make it right tonight. Nobody knows what a minute holds. 60 seconds can't make or break your life. I'm not holding on, about to let go. You better speak your soul, because you're running out of time. 11:59. No. Tell me where you wanna be. What the hell is wrong with me? I've been loving you for way too long. Oh, something's on your mind, middle of the night, better let it out. I'm giving you a chance, I better make it right tonight. Nobody knows what a minute holds. 60 seconds can't make or break your life. I'm not holding on, about to let go. You better speak your soul, because you're running out of time. 11:59. Boy, where you going all lose? When you gonna learn to play by the rules? Yo, it's a matter of seconds before you regret it. Nobody knows what a minute holds. 60 seconds can't make or break your life. Not holding on, about to let go. You better speak your soul, because you're running out of time. 11:59. ko lang alam ko to dahil sa TikTok, pero sure ako na hindi. Hindi kong hindi. I used to fall, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now. Was I made for? What was I made for? Taking a drive, I wasn't ideal, looked so alive. Turns out I'm not real, I'm paid for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. Don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Yung kabisa na daw. Chamba lang ako. Sorry guys. When did it end? All the outside again. Don't tell my boyfriend it's not what it's made for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. Think I forgot how to be happy. Something I'm not, but something I can't be. Something I wait for. Something I'm made for. Something,
May blind siya. Ba't di siya?
something I'm made for. Wow! Ma! Kabisado ko pala yun? Hindi ko kabisado, of course. But, ha! Like Casey, napaka-OZ. No, not anymore. I am already back in Manila.
Na-respect ko lang ako.
Thank you. Uy, first time. This night is so full of first times. Ses. Kay kang palagi ang last. Okay, what else? Like hanggang ano? Yung vampire, hindi ko alam. Yun lang yung alam ko. Yun pa lang yung alam ko. Angels like you. Say the misery loves company. It's not your fault to ruin everything. And it's not your fault I can't be watching it. Baby, just like you can't fight down hell with me. I'm everything they said I would be. Yeah. Put you down slow, love you goodbye before you let go. Just one more time. Take off your coat, pretend that it's fine. A little more hurt won't kill you tonight. Mother says you don't look happy, so close your eyes. I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees, 'cause they say the misery loves company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault I can't be watching it. Baby, just like you can't fight down hell with me. I'm everything they said I would be. Ah, I know what you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees, 'cause they say the misery loves company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault I can't be watching it. Baby, just like you can't fight down hell with me. Hey, just like you can't fight down hell with me. Everything they said I would be. Nung nagtutour kami for vocal jams, tapos naghahanap kami ng song na pwede namin gawin ni Ate Ying. Ito yung sinuggest ko dahil kung napanood nyo yung ibang mga videos namin sa tour, asan palaging sugod-sugod, chuk-chuk-chuk-chuk-chuk. Kaya din actually, yung first solo song ko for the tour was Close to You, para may iba-ibang levels yung ano namin sa concert. And then right after Rolling in the Deep, that's when Ate Yang and I do our duet. Tapos yun, sinuggest ko yung Angels Like You. Kasi parang, may reverb na naman ako sasalita. Kasi parang, I felt like, bagay sa aming dalawa ni Ate Yang. Nandun yung texture ng boses, maririnig. But at the same time, there's still power. Even though the arrangement is so laid back or so stripped. Ganon, parang mas story-centered yung yung performance. So, yeah. And I think it's one of my most favorite numbers in the entire set list ng tour namin na yun. And I hope to do it again. Ano bang mga bago na yun? Yeah, and yung harmonization nyo. Meron, yeah. We did some harmonies for the number. Pero kung napansin nyo, as in sa dulong-dulo na lang talaga. And when we're doing the chorus, as in talagang like second to the last line of the chorus lang meron. Tapos very quiet lang yung Very quiet lang yung attack. Medyo ano lang. Parang almost whispering. Tapos yung dulo, diba? Sobrang ano lang. Ah, nice song. Ocean Eyes. Ocean Eyes. Oh my gosh. Lahat ng kata sinasabi nyo ngayon, the last time nung nakanta ko din siya, nung huling live din natin. So, wow. Iba kayo. Sa mga nasa Australia pala, si TJ is still on tour with Moira. Kakatapos lang ata nila ng Melbourne show nila tonight. And then the next stop I think is Brisbane. After Brisbane, they still have one more show in New Zealand. So if you are anywhere near those places, or kung nandun man kayo, please do catch their shows. Sino nag-request na itong ano? Sino nag-request ng Ocean Eyes? I missed it. Ano? Ulit. Sino mga taga-Australia dito? Hello? I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at the ocean night. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes, no fire. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I've never fallen from quite this high, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes. I've been walking through a world gone blind. Can't stop thinking of your diamond mind. Careful creature made friends with time. He left her lonely with a diamond mind. And those ocean eyes, no fire. Lord, you make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. Hello?
I think nawala imong audio tungkol sa ako.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry. Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Oh my gosh. Ang mga calls, kinili kasulod. Ay, if there's a live, check kasulod.
So, gitanggal ni mo?
The audio, hindi, wala. I didn't remove it. So the audio is coming from the actual device.
So, sorry. Sorry, iputol na ko yung mong ano. Iputol na ko yung mong live.
Oh.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Hi! Hi guys. Kung matakatulog ko na kayo.
One na din, one.
Yeah.
1
1 a.m.
1 a.m.
It's 1 a.m.
Nagkaon daw sila sa no.
Ooh! Sino?
Nuda po. Nuda. N-U-D-A.
NUDA.
So, para sa mga taga-CDO, TJ just opened his own little shop.
We open.
Parang
Not
just opened his own noodle shop. So it's a
our-
self-service ramyun shop. Tama? Yun ba yung tawag?
Yes, but it's our shop, not just mine.
Well, okay. It's yours, but since we're legally married, I own half of the thing.
Nanonood si Moira de la to. Moment.
Oy, Madam Moira de la Torre, kamusta po?
Hi guys. Babe, nigawas na akong wish-exclusive sa Nescafe.
Is it? So, para kanino ka bumabangon?
Para
Yes, ma.
nasa Pilipinas na naka-bloom katong isa nga chicken breast ray kinaon.
Na acid. My gosh, she is really her daughter. Dami
She is
full
all-
na joke sa meet and greet. Ano ba mga joke mo?
Ano ko dyan?
Wait lang, asan ba yun?
Tawagan, babe.
Let's make this a family event.
Hi guys, panoorin niyo naman yung yung wish-exclusive ko. Moira, matulog ka na. Tayo mong ganap.
Come here.
Thank you pala sa lahat na nanood sa Moira live. Na nag-burst. Sa mga Sydney kagabi. Nasa Sydney kagabi at sa Brisbane, sa Melbourne kanina. Fun yung thank you na nanood ng concert ni Moy. Babe!
The microphone.
It's you, Baba. I miss you. I miss you, my love.
But can you smile for the people?
With the people, Bob. Wala na ba nagalit yun? Ayun!
Smile.
Smile.
She doesn't like, she's not in
Ah.
Push po pa. Wawa ka na ay.
Okay, she misses me.
Miss Dada na may love.
Aww. Kisha sa'yo mo, babe.
Ojo.
Bob. Push. Katabi ni KZ yan matulog, guys. Hindi na,
Miss Dada na.
Hindi, wala yung mata. Okay, wala mitulog.
Ay, drama na po, drama.
Ah?
She doesn't wanna face the camera.
Bob.
You really know when that is on the phone, no?
Bob. Hindi ko na.
She doesn't want to talk to you.
Bob. Baba.
Okay, face him.
Baba. Baba. Ay, just. Ay,
This is...
ay.
I wanna bite you. Can I bite you?
You did? Before, Mom? Kwento ako, once upon a time, kinagat ni Casey si Fitz.
I gave in to my intrusive thought.
Yeah, nagulat yung aso.
Sabi ni Fitz, so sino talagang aso sa ating dalawa?
Yung aso? Di ba ako?
Sobrang cute. Tignan niya, meron siyang birthmark. But can
Yeah.
you... My love, can we show them? Look.
Yun,
Ah!
mark niya. Para siyang ano. Yun, Tita Vivo.
May birthmark siya.
Sa lahat ng tatanong, she's a poodle. Mini poodle.
She's a poodle.
POV, video call ni Casey and TJ, literal. Aabot oras sa
Hindi.
gawa.
Actually, hindi. Kasi pag video call natin, mamang angle-angle. Hindi naman nakaset up yung camera.
Ganun lang. Magmaskara ka, love?
Yeah. On the 28th, I think.
28 is
Or girl. She's a girl. She's a girl.
She's a girl. She's named after
Wait,
Ella.
let's ask her. What are your pronouns, baby? I don't want to assume.
She's a girl. She's named after Casey's favorite artist, Ella Fitzgerald. Atras ka konti, babe. She's right there. That's Ella Fitzgerald. So she's named after her. That's why her name's Fitz.
Portugal. Ilang taon na po siya? She is 1 year and 10 months.
Two na nga sinasabi ko sa mga tao pag nagtatanong. Two.
Ah, talaga?
Two na lang. Kasi
Magtuto
December.
na siya sa December. My love, you're almost 2 years old. Oh my gosh. Ito yung katabi ko matulog.
Yeah.
So great.
Pag yung wala.
Ha?
Pag ako yung wala. Pero pag ikaw siya yung katabi mong matulog yung wala. Pag ikaw naman yung wala, siya naman katabi matulog.
Pero pag nandito naman tayo tatlo, siya pa rin naman yung hari ng hari na pala. Yung sikip-sikip na namin dalawa ng TJ, tapos siya ganito siya nakahiga.
Horizon. Very creepy. Uy, muta na.
I know, right? Hypoallergenic. Yes!
She is.
That's why I can give you oh.
Yeah, see you in Brisbane, sabi ni R. Giacomo Jacos.
Papa, I choose.
Uy!
Guys, meron siyang Instagram. If you want to follow her,
Fitstagram official.
Instagram official.
FITZ. Fitstagram official. Kuya TJ, you remind me of a guy I met in a game. Kinanta niya yung songs mo while in game kami, kaya ako na-fall. Naku! Ginamit ang kanta ko.
Yan, tama yung tinag ni
Soul Supreme Keys. Oh my gosh.
Diba nagsasabi na sa stress siya? Hindi, actually. Magalit pa to pag kunwari matagal ako nasa gadget.
Yeah.
Gagalit siya.
Ano sa stress pag i-hug?
Hindi, yung kasi pinanggigigilan ko.
Hindi, gusto niya yan.
Pero she likes being
Laban.
cuddled and held. Gagalit pa to pag kunwari walang pumapansin sa kanya. Aawatin niya si Ate Grace or tatahol siya ng lakas.
I-release mo na yung
juicy siya
Palabi
sa mall.
wedding version. Ano?
Juicy siya sa mall.
Yeah, kasi siya sa mall. May mga gusto.
Diba? Akalain niyo, choosy siya sa mall. Merong mga mall na pinupuntahan namin na ayaw niya maglakad. Gusto niya lang magpa-carry. Pero merong mga malls na parking pa lang. Paano kaya yun, no? How do you know, Bob? Yes po, please follow Fitz.
Tapos nananahol yan pag may kakilala kami, nagsaskandalo.
Oo. Lalo na pagkakilala niya, tapos parang na-excite siya. Parang siyang sumisigaw. Oh my God! Parang gumaganon.
Akala ni Mo yun, babe, nagalit daw sa kanya.
Oo. Kasi tahimik lang to si Fitz eh. She's always just very quiet. Alam niyo, never siyang nag-bark this entire time na na nandito siya. So,
Kanta ako isang kanta.
yes please.
Di man araw-araw lang nakangiti. Ano pa bang kanta ko? Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
Oh my God.
Tila mapilang ang ating mga tapuhan. Away patira't hindi karama malayan. Eto na tayo. Hala, ang kwan. Ang cover art sa akong kanta.
This one?
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man na Yay! Half a song.
Kailan release yung wedding version? Papa, you wanna go? Oh,
I-announce namin.
Papa, you wanna go to Ate na? Ha? Ay, shush! Ay, shush! Ay, shush! No wee-wee ha. You can stay inside lang but no wee-wee.
Kaya TJ, go to Duke's Coffee Roasters for coffee tomorrow. Shucks, naghanap ako ng coffee roasters actually. Alam ni Casey yan, na pag nasa isang lugar kami, I look for roasters. Di ba, babe?
Yeah. You do.
Mama ako sa kanya one time, nag-anong kami, na coffee walk.
Yeah.
Sa wala ta Fitzrovia. Nag-Fitzrovia ba ta?
I think we did.
Or ano lang, Covent.
Huh?
Covent Garden. Tama ba? Covent Garden. So,
I think like it's
social may yaya. Yaya kasi ni Casey yun.
yung ano.
Si Fitz daw, social may yaya.
Actually, yaya naman na niya talaga si Ate Grace. Nakikiyaya na lang kami kay Ate Grace. Mas updated pa yung mga bakuna niyan kaysa sa amin, mga gano'n.
True.
Mas madalas pa yung pumupunta lang groomer kaysa sa amin.
Every week yan. As in, kailan nga schedule niya ba bukas pa?
on Monday. Kasi may ano din siya, may
Hindi na siya naliligo sa bahay, di ba?
naliligo naman. Pero
Bihira na
parang
eh. Kasi
maganda yung fluff. Siyempre, that amazing fluff is so hard to maintain dahil kulot siya. Mabilis siyang
hello sa na nagtanaw. Watching from Toronto, Canada. Wow. Hello po. Ate Casey, mag-concert din po kayo dito sa Perth. I think she's been here before, pero 2K na kayo.
Oh, it's been 10 years? Hindi naman,
grabe
mga
naman.
8 years. 8 years. 8 years ago, ata.
When was your last Australia trip before the last one?
Darwin. Kita.
Tayo yun, oo nga. No?
And then
Last
before that, Asap.
Asa. Yun yung nag-hunting at Hill House kayo.
Yeah. Balik kayo, please. Oo.
Galing po ni Ate Casey last week sa Sydney. Oh. Let's
Voice up
go.
lang. Nagtitingin na lang kami kasi hindi kami magkakarinigan ng banda. TJKZ live in Sydney. Oh! Kahit yung
Amen.
venue, game kami dyan.
Hey, mayon.
Let's kayo, guys. Kasi madaming kanta. Daming kanta. DJ, pupunta ka bang Bacolod? Wala pa po. Hindi pa siya uuwi. And then ang Eraserheads medley, yes, it has been my 1MX staple. And yung 1MX Sydney is already my
Fourth, fifth.
parang pang fourth
Fifth.
or fifth
Feeling
ko
ko
na
fifth.
ata na
Feeling ko
1MX.
fifth.
Fifth.
May
So, yung
Singapore pa
1MX
yun.
may Singapore pa and then meron pang 1MX dito din sa Manila.
Tapos may Dubai
So,
pa. Ay, Abu Dhabi.
Wait, 7. Wait.
Okay.
Australia,
Basta.
Australia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi.
Nanonood yung super
Singapore.
favorite namin. Basta, mga 7 na lang.
Basta parang mga ganun. Parang 7
Oh, DJ.
or 6.
Ang member. Thank you, Yo Mara, for
Tapos
watching us.
palaging,
Palagi.
pag ginagawa ko yung Eraserheads medley, it just always brings the crowd together. Regardless kung man yung kakanta nun o hindi, that medley is a 1MX staple. As in yung crowd ng even Gen Zs, no? Gen Zs
I
to
see.
like mga medyo uma-attend na mga medyo matured.
Uy, nanonood si David Magtalas.
Ay!
Aming
Give
paborito.
us more work! Give us more work. Nakikita pa ako ng mga rest days. Ayoko ng rest day. Joke lang. Ha! Kakasakit na nga tayo.
Uy, laman, nag-request lang. Kantahin ko lang to. Narinig ba yung gitara ko?
Uy, nandiyan si Kuya Mir.
Ay, Kuya Mir. Narinig ba yung gitara ko?
PGYO Mickey, hello!
Ay, nag-request lang. Kanina pa to eh. Huling hirit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Paano mo napapawi ang kalungkutan ko. Di ka man lang kumikibo ay wala na ko tingog.
Wait, why don't you show your face?
Wait. Because I don't have like
Oh, akala ko nakakupad ka.
Oy! It's so hard. I don't love it.
You don't have a stand. Ha?
Timingan niyo mo ganun.
Nagkasabarang tinatry ko din yung delay ng konti.
No! Paano na sa counter latency? If that's even a term. Casey, sana andun ka nung kinuwento ni TJ Love Story niyo. Hinahanap ka ng mga tao dun every time nagigig kami. Kasi andun yung video mo sa likod.
Oo nga, dapat maningil ako. Hindi naman ako kasama sa tour mo na yun. Dapat doon ako.
Nga ako.
Dapat maningil ako.
Siyempre.
Yeah, yung mga antok na, matulog na kayo.
Sa mga pag bago sila sakta ni Moira sa isang oras. In Mark. Ano? What time is it there?
10:13.
Hello lovers. Uy, si Charlotte, kilala ko to. Sobrang tagal na itong kaibigan ko na listener. Hello lovers watching from the Netherlands. Netherlands.
Oh!
Exciting!
Ayaw kong mawala. Ayaw kong mawala. Tama.
Yeah, mga po.
Kasi problema daw ni mo kaya teach nga nung sakit ko kayo mga kanta.
Dili ko sakit akong kanta. Happy ko na akong mga kanta. Bakit ang dami nagsasuggest nitong Good Measure Coffee sa Melbourne? Sige.
Kailan kayo magpa-puffing belly?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi medyo malayo yun eh. Kasi sinasabi rin naman sa akin, sinesend mo rin daw sa kanya yun eh.
Yeah.
Malayo.
Go. Oh, well, you don't have to tell me sa live.
Hindi ko alam actually.
It's nice.
Magme-make mo og music? What do you mean? UKZSF sa October 20 para sa formal mall show. Ah, may show kayo? October 20?
Parang siyang mall ganap.
Oh.
But it's actually promo for
the October 31.
kaswerte na mo KZ. Ganun ako naman swerte.
Teko.
Am I not something valuable? Am I not someone valuable?
No, I'm sure. Concert video.
Kailan sa ba ito last night? CDO na show?
I'm not sure. 2017? 2018? I think.
2018. Feb 2018.
Kaya teach padungog.
Was the only break I had nung ako sa
Sulod na akong antok.
Huh?
Medyo kasulod na akong antok.
Yeah.
Sorry I disturbed your live kanta-kanta.
Okay, Rachel, parang naka-charge akong naka-charge ka nila ang iPad because
Charging now?
to die.
Percent ka.
Nabugto daw yung bra tungod sa mga teach.
Uy.
Ay, lagi mo bang bra? Hindi na nip. Para wala mabugto ang bra.
Ikaw ba yung nagbasa?
I don't care.
Sa walong bilyong
Basta nag-fits na ra dali.
Asa siya?
Dali. Sleeping.
Tapos sa sneaker bar ads.
Ha?
Sneaker bar.
Yung sneaker na nahulog sa toilet bowl.
Diri, sa Australia.
Tapos, nag-react sila kasi, ba't daw, after kong pinulot yung sneaker na nahulog, tapos tinapon, finlash ko yung toilet. Oo nga, no, ba't ko finlash yung malinis naman? Siguro, habit na pag tumayo, pa-flush. Make it a habit. Para walang mga naiiwan na anything. Pero yun. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam sa kwento na yun, yung kwento ng Snicker bar, head on to my TikTok account and very quick Bisaya story time if you're Bisaya ng kung ano yung nangyari din sa Snicker bar na yun. Buhat, hindi mo, Kuya Tij, oy, hitsuraan yun basta taga CDO.
Kagayaan dyan. Ito magluda, mga tiga-Cagayan.
Bitaw, sa tapad sa
Xavier University Gym.
tapad sa Xavier Ateneo de Cagayan. Dito ang self-service noodle shop ng DJ. Napakaganda rin sa Australia, Ate KZ. No, I'm not. I'm home. Yung DJ na ngayon yun nandyan sa Melbourne. And then, meron silang show sa Brisbane. And then last stop is gonna be in Auckland, New Zealand.
Island.
Punta ka na ulit, please. Meron bang, is there such a thing as a long-term tourist visa?
Sa New Zealand? Ay, sa Australia? 1 year.
Madali naman kumuha nun.
Hindi ko alam eh.
I think we should.
Tinanong ko kasi parang 1 year. Tinanong ko kay uncle, parang 1 year lang. Pero multiple naman. Siyempre, multiple naman.
Parang madali na. Meron din daw 3 months, so.
3 months daw. Tagal nun, parang bilis na nun 3 months, no?
Oo. Parang hindi ka naman unless it's for business, hindi ka naman magta-travel papuntang Australia ng multiple times in 3 months.
Hindi talaga kayo nagtagpo sa Australia.
Oo, hindi. We never got the chance to see each other. This is the first time, no? Pero tayo nasa sa foreign country, tapos hindi tayo magkasama.
Oo. Sample sa Aussie slang quiz, may tinuro si Casey sa akin.
Ano? Here you go.
Chakasiki. Just chakasiki, mate. Oh, just chakasiki, mate.
Oy, TJ, why didn't you sing hanggang dito na lang at dating tayo daw?
Because I was only
Kaya, pabalikin nyo na lang siya. Tapos guest nyo na lang ako. Tapos pabalikin nyo siya para makanta niya lahat ng original songs niya.
Balikan niyo si KZ, guest niya, o kantahin ko yung ano.
Kasi syempre, di ba, ano lang naman si TJ doon. Guest lang naman siya, guys. So,
I'm on 3 songs and I did 4.
oo, 4 songs lang ang ano niya, toka sa kanya. Kaya, so hard na makanta lahat ng kanta. TJ, meron ka Koreano.
So, madog sa ako mag-Koreano? Hanapin ko yung Koreano video.
Is it in your phone?
It's in my laptop.
Computer? Dito lang talaga tayo
Oo nga, dito na tayo nag-usap. Ito yung TJ, oh. Pakinggan nyo, ah. Dito lang. Listen lang.
Okay.
Ito. Pakinggan nyo, ah.
지금 제가 사용하는 언어는 이 언어입니다. 이 언어를 사용하는지 수도 있지만
Di ba alam?
Oo, si BD
Sabi
hindi
ko-
na pinatulog nila CJ.
Sabi ko kay BD, sisilibre niya si CJ kahapon nung isang araw pa yun, kagabi ng pagkain. Libre siya ng mamo sa Manila. Tapos oo siya